This is our patient Jason. He has been under upper cervical care for about, what, 8-10 months now?
Yep.
So Jason, why don't you tell everybody how you found upper cervical care and what it's been able to do for you?
So I'm a former football player and I've had numerous concussions and was suffering with post-concussion syndrome for about 18 months and was feeling helpless and having constant headaches, dizziness, depression, anxiety, all from this constant cycle of trying to find care that would help. And was on YouTube and came across one of your colleagues, Dr. Bulow, and then saw your page, Dr. Kevin Pecca in New Jersey, where I'm originally from. Started upper cervical care out in Pittsburgh and then got connected with Dr. Kevin Pecca when I'm home in New Jersey, and it's absolutely changed my life and brought me back to normal. I'm so thankful for that care.
Beautiful. Well, thank you so much. Jason has slipped out of alignment today, so we are going to get him adjusted and back in place here. Okay, so Jason, we're going to flip around the other side here, where you can actually stay there. Just fix the table up right here. I want you to scoop down this way for me. Okay, this arm across the chest, arch your back. Let's lay you down like you're sleeping on your side. Swing those legs up. Good. Okay. Very good. This arm on your hip. All right. I'm gonna get you up in 1 minute, all right?
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, Maria.